And I tell people how na day na me again. I don't show again. So waiting we get today. Make we do another illegal recording. You know, illegal recording where we say recording while driving, which is very very illegal and very very like this can send me to some weeks in a correctional institution and yeah. But since I've got something to say, and since I get waiting to yarn today, maybe we do just a small preview of waiting could come next week. Waiting I get to tell on next week. I'm researching, I'm still researching, still working on it. I'm going to make a video. I'm going to drop a video very soon where I go tell on about cancer and diabetics. So mama and papa, if you get anybody where get diabetics, if you get person where get cancer, if your person legs they swell, if your person's hands they swell, if your person they suffer from too much insulin sensitivity, that video you go need to watch them. I go tell you now wetin cause una cancer, wetin the cause una diabetics, una Naija people, and I go make her in pidgin. Because most of una don't see these kind of videos where the doctors don't come online, tell una talk about diabetics, talk about cancer, talk about anemia, talk about all these things. But them they use they speak them in a language where be say most of una know they to understand waiting them they talk. So thank your God say you get me where one break them down in pidgin English, so that make grandmama for village, grandpapa for village get understand, know waiting they happen, waiting me they talk about. I no go mention things, use heavy grammar, mention things. If I do, I need to write and that video I need to script them, so that if I mention heavy words, I could use pidgin, break those words down, waiting I mean by waiting those words mean, so that you could know. You could know say if person tell you say aqua be something, you go know say aqua waiting that person mean, now water that person mean. Make I just make an example. Now waiting at that's what I mean. If you see anything them write aqua for the body, no say now water they mean. If you see anything where them write like sodium for the body, no say they mean salt. So now waiting me they here to they explain the tell on be that. I know what I mean. So watch out and stay tuned. I go drop that video very soon. Then make you subscribe, so that when that video drop, you go get the notification. Them go tell you say video don't drop. When I get what I mean, I'm here to explain things to you guys in simple pidgin. Use our language, explain things, so that anybody where as you they live reckless life, you think say that food where you they chop no contain sugar, because them don't tell you say na sugar they cause diabetics. I'm here to tell you say sugar get over 70-90 different names where them they label sugar. I could make a separate video tell on that, because you get a packet where you could pick, you could look on the packet, you could see say them no go write sugar, but them don't write something like sucrose, and them go write acetal blah blah blah, heavy grammar where you know understand what you mean. I go tell you say na sugar, you go see them go write sodium chloride this that. Instead make them just write salt on the body. So now what they try mean by that, I go break things down. So this video where I go make, where I want make now talk about diabetics and cancer, I go break things down in pidgin English, so that you, your mama, your papa, your auntie, your uncle, your grandmama could know waiting they make them sick, waiting they kill them. So that you could know what's killing your people, so that you will know why your person is sick, so that you will know why you're spending that much money taking care of your parent which you don't have, you shouldn't. You shouldn't be spending heavy amount of money to take care of your parents. There are remedies. There are local remedies in front of your house. There are remedies. There are things you can do. There are things you can do to lift the burden on your shoulder. It ain't in your nose. It ain't for your face. So watch out. I go drop that video soon. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy. I'm Henry Krackhouse and I'm out.